So for our next project, I was given a 1978 Glastron bass boat. It hasn't been on the water in over 20 years, but we did test fire the motor to make sure it worked, because without the motor, the boat has no value. So it's an HPV-175 with a 175 horsepower Evinrude engine. And as you can see, the gel coat is really weathered on the top. So I've experimented on the other side, and we'll do it right here now. I'm going to start with 180 grit dual action sander to remove any of the roughness, and then I'll work my way down to 4,000 grit sandpaper, and then with buffing wheel and compound buff this back up into an almost mirror shine. And that's going to happen throughout the entire boat over the next few months. Well, it's late March, beginning of spring here in Idaho, and now the weather's good enough to start working on a project again, which is the 1978 Glastron HPV-175. And so today we've just decided to just strip the rest of the boat down. Take out some janky carpet that someone installed years ago that isn't correct. Nasty. And I was able over the winter to buy the correct carpet that goes with this boat. So we'll do all that, and then probably reglass some of the wood, give it some more strength, and there are some cracks around some of the live wells. And we'll go ahead and reinforce those coming up. But today it was removing the gauges that aren't working, and we'll be ordering some new gauges for the dash. Some of the fiberglass around some of the battery compartments is cracked. Obviously, people stand on that during the fishing, so we'll go ahead and reinforce that area and reglass from underneath. So it looks like some people have done some of their own wiring underneath the dash as well as after I was taking out the gauge. And of course, that's kind of my specialty. I'll go in there and clean all that up and make sure everything works properly. The bilge pump, there's a bilge pump, and of course pumps for the live wells and the lights. So we'll get all that taken care of here real soon and get this thing back on the road, hopefully by Memorial Day.
So what do you think of the boat?
It looks terrible right now. There's no way he's gonna get it done by the end of summer. It's ridiculous.